Konetishet ne chametabgei nebo borto ko ki age tugul. Nyorun konetishet ne inegen kobun ng'omutik chebo chametabgei nebo borto. Nai chechang akobo kerichek koboto konetutik chebo ole kiriptoi borto eng tetutik chebo komonut che inetin akokonin naet neo. Iyanech eng logoiwek tugul chenin chetinyegei ak chametabgei nebo borto ak tetutik chebo cherset. Nyorun chuto tugul ak alak eng tetutietab tililindo.
The fourth harm reduction exchange was held in Nairobi, bringing together experts and leaders from across Africa to discuss ways to reduce the harm caused by tobacco, alcohol, and drug use. Dr. Vivian Manyeki, a Kenyan public health expert, urged governments to take harm reduction seriously. She suggested that tobacco tax money should be used to support health programs and that these strategies should be included in our laws.
So at its core, it's about meeting people where they are, helping them take safer steps towards the future. And so when we are talking about tobacco abuse, drug dependency, other substance abuse, the principle remains the same. We reduce harm, we save lives. And in this effort, we are going to use science-led regulation, which isn't just a support system, it's a driving force for innovation and meaningful change. Science-led regulation isn't just a tool, it's a bridge. It connects innovation and impact and ensures that the solutions we create reach the people who need them the most. So if we embrace this bridge, we can rewrite the narrative of harm reduction in Africa and beyond, and we can move forward from a place of despair where harm seems inevitable to a place of hope where we empower individuals to live happier, healthier, safer lives. It's for us to have principles like science-based policy, public awareness, and collaboration. By collaboration, I mean we need partnerships across the globe, and across researchers, businesses, communities, churches, and governments. When everyone works together, we get solutions that are practical, inclusive, and culturally relevant.
Wilson Box from Zimbabwe shared the challenges faced by countries with fewer resources in controlling new nicotine products. He encouraged governments to come up with flexible policies to address these problems.
Africa faces a significant public health burden from tobacco use, and this is according to the African Union Health Commission 2023. Traditional tobacco control measures have been hampered by limited resources, weak regulatory frameworks, and the presence of informal markets. And moreover, the tobacco industry's aggressive marketing strategies in African countries have complicated efforts to implement effective control measures. And this is also according to WHO, African Regional Office 2023.
Chimwemwe Ngoma from Malawi spoke about the importance of working together across different sectors to create solutions that help both health and economic challenges.
It is also important to highlight that innovation in safer nicotine products should not just focus on technology and product development, but must sufficiently consider consumer behavior and preferences. And for these harm reduction technologies to succeed, we must contextually address why people smoke and what motivates them to switch or quit smoking. Then we develop a product that is feasible for that context, and we accompany that with sensible regulation instead of just copying and pasting solutions from elsewhere to our local context.
Dr. Mercy Korir, a health journalist, spoke about how the media can educate people about harm reduction. She said communication plays a big role in helping people make safer health choices.
So, as journalists, it's our responsibility to communicate these complex issues with clarity, accuracy, and a balance. We are the bridge between scientific findings and the public's understanding of those findings. This is where the role of ethical journalism becomes not just a responsibility, but an obligation. Studies have shown that media coverage shapes public perceptions and influences behavior, making the media a powerful player in public health initiatives.
The event ended with a strong message. Decisions should be based on facts, lives should be protected, and public health should be a top priority. Experts and leaders promise to work together to achieve these goals. That is why we've invited Dr. Mercy Korir to Tililinda program to help us understand why harm reduction is important for the country. She will share lessons from the conference and explain how these ideas can help us all. Stay tuned for more.
Chitab Kalenjin itagat eng tetutiengung nebo tililindo rani kou eng tai kokamwaun ale kingalale betutab rani akobo kaimutik cheibu boisietab tomotet. Kainenyu ko Chesankaro Sirma ak kemitei ak Dr. Mercy Korir ne inendet ko kanyoindet ako kora ko sirindetab logoiwek. Itagat eng studio nenyo nebo Kass TV Dr. Mercy.
Kongoi Chesankaro.
Karibu.
Kongoi.
Ko ameche ikat bororietab Kalenjin ak imwage asikobit ketestai Dr. Mercy.
Akatok biik tugul chebo Kalenjin, kikurenon Dr. Mercy Korir, daktari nebo biik amun kikotebenan biik chechang kot ko daktari man, lakini kora journalist. Tinye media house nekibore Willow Health Media ne CEO ak andochini journalists alak en yoton, kineti biik tugukab health ak health related content kimi online. So kotimache inai anything else chebo health ak kit netesetai en emoni akobo health inyorwech en online en Willow Health Media. So noton kasit noyoe.
Itagat ako kiboiboi amu kesich boroindo inyo Kass TV eng betutab rani.
Abaibai akane.
Ko yeking'alale anyun Dr. Mercy akobo kaimutik, ngemwa akobo kaimutik chebo boisietab tomotet. Ko kikemwa eng nebo wi akobo kaimutik cheterterchin chebitu yekiboisie tomotet. Ko ngemwa kele boisietab tomotet kotos iarorwech korong boisietab tomotet, boisieitano biik tomotet? Mitei che kekule, mitei age ne kumumuli anan kingunguli.
Non kinye akinde
aketesta bunyak.
Sikesingildo mutyo. So kemwa man muchi kekul ku sigarettes nekingen neboisien biik, okay, ma biik chechang kot keker Kenya ak emotinwek alak, Kenya ko machang biik saiti cheboisien chekule sigaret. So noton ine neboisien biik chechang kakuletab sigaret. And then komi chemite inyoru kakinam kibare kikuren stumaten ako kule biik. Ako mi alak che kule kokande kibare neo kiko.
Kwesit.
Angen en Kiswahili kibare kiko.
Kwesit.
So ndo tumatet ako pelen yoton ako kul ko kora kouon is kakikul en tumatet. So kit neyoe en biik cheboisien tumatet kokonu addictions ko ole kemwaite. In that komaboisien tumatet kokase kouon mi kit nemakararan en betunoton. Nyoru tuguk chekibore withdrawal symptoms. Iya kokase chito uon atebenyin ko makararan anan ko muchi kobotan chito anan mi biik alak akot chebendi extreme chebendi mootinwek amun maboisien kiy amun addicted, kikonai borto keboisien. So kit ne ya en tumatet ngele ninanamen nekimite koron non mite biik konyoru cancer nebo kutit either in ngelepta anan go part of the oral cavity ole mi kelek sinyoru kakonyor chito cancer o choton yenyor ko kikuren aggressive. Yenyor chito ko marahisi kosabe amun very aggressive forms of cancer. Ko chekikule sigaret ko affecteni mi chekebare primary affecteni chito ne primary nekule sigaret ak secondary biik chemi around en ole kule sigaret. So chito ne primary kingineteche sukul kikilenen biik chekule sigaret ko imuchi ko affecten any part of the body, ears komatwa sumek kityo siyo amun affecteni everywhere, and the reason ko ke kule sigaret komi kit nekebore combustible components chebo sigarani amun yon kule biik sigaret kochenge nekibore nicotine, lakini sigarani kora kotindo other thousands of chemicals chemi orit. Common ko nekibore taa sutet, kibore sutet abwati kikeny en koratunwekab keny ko ninam maatab kwenik ko matuitunye
munyaik kosich munyaik
kotuitu kot. So ko the same thing, chito ne kule sigaret neki combustible sigaret is ole kingen ko kule iyonoton, so iyoni ko affecteni lungs, so after some time ko makobusi chito komie. That is the commonest. Lakini also some of these chemicals chemi sigarani ko affecteni blood vessels, affecteni the heart, affecteni the brain, ako mi the addiction in itself. So affecteni almost every part of the body. Noton yon ale biik sigarok kotindo warnings in packet kele imuchi ko affectenin kelyek amun or the blood supply anan ko affectenin heart, affectenin lungs, memuchi ibus chito komie, and of course ko causeni lung cancer. So komi biik chemi around in ole menyes chito kotikule en kot ako mi lagok ko affecteni lagok kora in breathing amun is uon kakul sigaret ak ne lagok chuton.
So chito ne nekite chito ne kule amu kechut yetan nekabo sigaret ngakutunyin kule ichut iyai kule akinye
ko uon kekule akinye sigaret. So noton amune biik kelenjin akot ndewendi ngele town ngele Nairobi yu komi specific areas chenyolu koba biik kokul sigaret amun biik chebendi yon ko tugul kokule sigarok, so ingenkei sima affecten biik alak chetom kai kokule sigaret. So yon king'ololen effects chebo sigaret kekere in those dimensions.
Ko daktari ngemwa taimwa missing akobo biik chutok the secondary, yani chito ne ichuti ieto. Ko missing ko yen kimwa ko eng town iman ketindoi kebeberwek chekikule ko kaikai kou noto, kobate eng kebeberwek chebo kaa inyoru chito eng oret kule ako pititoi ieto kabisa Muga nemite gaa ko ngomite koinyi kukule akot eng mesa kule kan ole mitei lagok.
So manyalu koti kule chito sigaret konyalu ibwat biik chomeng'isei tugul, biik chemi kong'ung'is amun macheket chekule sigaret. So nyalu ibwat bichu, imuchi imande sang akiwe ikul sigaret en sang amun sang ko open komatwoe chi kosir en go amun kot ko enclosed sait age akot mara meyat tirisiok, so chi tugul en koyon kokul sigaret. So biik chekule sigaret konyalu kobwat kole mi biik alak chemakule sigaret. Biik alak lagok mara ko akot ko allergic konyor kit neu asthmatic attack amun akobo iyet. So nyalu ibwat chito ile mi biik alak chemakule sigaret che affecteni sigaraning'ung kouon kakule akichek o sait noto makule sigaret. So nyalu kibwat bichon ak kinde into considerations yon iye chito sigaret.
So nyalu koloit chito ngomite olimbo gaa koloit iwechi ketaban.
O kit nemie akot en resop ko open. Mi koristo, mi ketik, imuchi akot iwe walk chito ak iwekes kokaitar sigareng'ung. Lakini of course ko chonis ko chito ne kikoek addicted amamuchi kometo. Lakini ra mang'u ale king'ololen kit nekibore harm reduction. Harm reduction ko keng'ololen biik kule sigaret o mara kikobwat kometo. Yon kisomani akobo sigaret kelenen sigaret ko one of the addictions that is difficult to stop. Biik che sigaret ko ui nea kometo chekule sigaret. Noton amune ikose biik alak kole kiakul betusiek chu tugul kiayai 90, 100 anan ko 80 atomi. Amun ui nea kemeto sigaret. So nging'ololen harm reduction kibwoti kele mi biik chekikoboisien sigaret amamuchi kometo. Of course the ideal ko kometo biik sigaret altogether amun it is harmful to your body. Kikesoman ng'alekab sigaret over very many years ko kibor kele it is directly linked to cancer, it is directly linked to sexual issues, it is directly linked to miscarriages and reproductive health issues in kwonyik tindo very many harmful effects in addition to changamoes kele lung cancer anan go mouth and throat cancer kogonu tumatanitan. So the ideal ko kometo chito noto ko ndewendi sipitali kelenjin meten lakini sikeng'alalen harm reduction kele ne sikonai biik.
Unoto ko siketesetai yotok ko ngenyoru kamung'et kitikin asikeweke kekas akobo noto.